Hello guys, Real Hi-Fi Help here. I've got a power contamination on my system. Can you guess where it is? It's this screen here. It's pretty old. I'm guessing it's like 10 years old. And because it's contaminating the power, it's very noisy. If I put on the screen, you can hear like a zzz thing going on. So it's very important, especially if it's noisy and if it's on top of that a PC screen, that you do not connect it to the rest of this equipment, as you can see here. Don't connect it to the rest of the system that's connected to the music source right here. That's the isolate mini sub access music source. If it's making a lot of noise, you can of course try and put it in phase. It will reduce the noise, but still try to keep it away from the sound system. So this is my sound system, that feeds my sound system, and this thing does not. So I would put it in here if I could, just to let you guys know. What I actually did was put it over to the other plug I have in the wall, right here, as you can see, right down there. And that's because, you can see that ugly thing down there, that's because that's on a different group. So if it's PC equipment, on a different group. If it's noisy, make at least sure it's in correct phase, because even if it is on a different group, it could still affect the other music components that you have here that is in another power box. So make sure it's in the correct phase and it's in a different group, and that will help you guys with minimizing the contaminated power that you have in your system. That's all for today, and remember to like and subscribe. Bye.